In this video lies the solution to your AI-generated articles being penalized by search engines and hindering your blog's visibility and credibility. I will reveal the secrets of making your AI-generated articles undetectable by search engines. Now, the search engines are now smart enough to be able to detect contents that are AI generated. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass that. I know it is important for your blogs to be seen and heard. That is why I am here to help. I will be going over the key elements that search engines look for in detecting AI-generated articles and showing you how to tweak your content to avoid detection. Plus, I will be providing you with some cutting-edge tools to help you detect and fix any problems that you might have. Trust me, you don't want to miss this video. So if you are ready to take your blog to the next level, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the latest tips and tricks on how to better your blog. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the key elements that search engines will look out for, and you also should look out for this. There are two ways you can actually fix this. The first way is to fix it manually, and the second way is to fix it with yet another AI tool. I'm going to show you how to do that later in this video. But before that, I'm going to address how you can actually identify the problems manually and fix it by yourself. Now, the things to look out for. Number one, repetitive or formulaic languages. AI-generated text may use repetitive or formulaic language patterns. Let me explain what I mean. AI systems are trained on huge amounts of existing text. So in many cases, they use certain patterns associated with a particular type of content, and then they repeat that same pattern just in different ways, different styles, but then it's still the same pattern. For example, CHAT GPT seems to have learned that blog posts often start with questions like, are you searching for, or have you ever wondered why? So every time you ask CHAT GPT to help you generate a blog post, most of the time, they start the statement with these questions. If someone asks CHAT GPT to write a blog post, it will often start with these exact words or some predictable variants of them. So that is what you should look out for. That's the first thing you can look out for manually. And then the second thing you can look out for is that AI-generated text may sound stilted or unnatural, as it may not always use idiomatic expressions or colloquial languages. That is one thing you should also look out for. They don't have emotions. All those artificial intelligence don't have emotions. So they cannot really speak like the way humans will express themselves. Now, let me show you the AI tools you can use in detecting and fixing this. The first thing we need to do now is to ask ChatGPT to help us generate a blog post that we can use to demonstrate this. So the first thing I do now is to ask ChatGPT to write me a blog post on how to make money with ChatGPT. So let me ask it, write me a blog post on how to make money with Chat GPT. So now I'm going to hit on enter, and it's going to generate the blog post for me. And then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to wait for it to finish it, because I just need a few lines to be able to demonstrate what I'm talking about to you guys. So let's just generate this. So now I think I can use this first paragraph. So I'm just going to copy this first paragraph right here. There are some AI websites that can detect that your content is an AI generated content. For example, we have originality.ai. The website is made to be able to help you detect if your content is AI generated. And we also have writer.com. Writer.com also does the same job. I'm going to use writer.com for this demonstration. So let's just go to writer.com, and here it's writer.com interface right here. So I'm going to just paste the text here on writer.com and then hit on analyze text. And then it's going to analyze the text for me. And now it's showing me that my content is 4% human generated. Can you imagine? Imagine me posting this on my blog. The search engine will easily detect this, and then they are going to penalize me for it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just come to another AI website called Quillbot and then hit on paste text. We have different modes we can actually write on. We have the standard, the fluency, the formal, simple, creative, expand, and shorten. But I'm going to use standard. I'm going to just hit on paraphrase, and it's going to help me paraphrase it. And what I'm going to do is copy and then go back to my detector, cancel this, and then paste this. And then I'll analyze text again. And Now it just increased it to 25%. You can see that is progress. So now it's just helped you increase your content to 25%. So what you need to do is to keep paraphrasing, checking, paraphrasing until you are able to get it to at least 85% human generated. So that is it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.